I'm ill, I'm dying, but I've got results back from the doctors and we don't have coronavirus, so I can leave my bedroom. I'm not growing a beard, it's just pure laziness. And yeah, today what I want to try do is tighten up the spring on the blower valve, see if I can get some like flutter dump, so to speak, so I'll get a bit of flutter then it dumps rather than just straight off dumping. Don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a try, something to do. Plug, 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 plug. This is going to be interesting. I haven't started the car in over a week. Straight away. Pulled it on the flat, just outside there, then I've just topped up the oil and now I'm going to have a play around with this blower valve spring, see what I can do. So I've just tightened that up, quite a bit more than I actually showed in the video, because it was set up to be like right, if you know what I mean, but now I want it over tight so it flutters more. I've tightened it up and it hasn't worked yet, so I'm going to need to loosen it off some more. Tighten it up some more. So it's on as tight as it'll go now with the spring, and this is all I can get. So it still blows off. I'm going to have a play with between recirc and non-recirc now. Now this should be fully recirculating. Sounds awful. This is 50-50. Nah, it's just going back fully open. Under lower boost, you still get a bit of flutter, but it's just not as much as I want. Well, that's another video gone wrong again. It is what it is. I tried. I'll have to sort that back out again sometime, but I can't be arsed today because I'm still dying. I've just washed and waxed my car, then I've tightened the spring on the blower valve as tight as it'll go, so I'm going to give that a quick test drive now. Get these wheels powder coated. Just been for a skate whilst I wait for my wheels to get done. It started absolutely pouring down and I'm now about to go see what they look like. I've had a few problems with the spacers themselves, so I need new spacers and wheel nuts now, but genuine reaction time. Still can't see it. Fucking hell. They're looking mint. They're a bit darker than I thought, but fuck me, that looks good from here. Right, are we ready to see them? 3, 2, 1. There she is. Fucking sexy.